Hello, I'm Dr. Jerry, speaking to you from Chiropractic Dubai. Today we're going to show you a new instrument we have in the office. It's called the Impulse Adjusting Tool, and this is an instrument we use for patients who do not like manual manipulation. They're either afraid of the cracking noise or they have too much muscle spasm to tolerate manual adjustments. It is a high-tech instrument that has preloaded pressure to deliver the dynamic chiropractic adjustment in a safe, quick, and efficient manner. And in the next video, we'll be showing you the adjustment with the instrument.